If you love tasty food on a budget, then you've got to try this egg fried rice recipe. Start by heating a tablespoon of sesame oil in a large pan. Add 2 beaten eggs, scramble till fully cooked, then set them aside. Next, toss in 1 cup of frozen mixed veggies, peas, carrots, and corn. Stir fry for about 3-4 minutes. Now it's time for the star. 2 cups of day-old rice and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it all together for that perfect blend. Add the scrambled eggs back in and give it one more stir. Feeling fancy? Top with chopped green onions. And voila! Serve warm and enjoy. This budget-friendly egg fried rice is not only cost-effective but also nutritious and bursting with flavor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit for more easy recipes.